Good morning. Let's talk about SPX on the monthly chart. So you may get sick of hearing me say it every weekend, but I always go back to our larger time frames first because I think it's always important to know where we're at moving into each week, even if it's the same place we were last week. It's going to be helpful when we do get those clean, clear breakouts. So let's look at the monthly. If you're looking left, we have just been holding inside a range for quite some time. Definitely holding inside our previous monthly candle. We peaked out for just a second and bounced right back inside. Definitely holding this area right through here with this little triple top. If you look down historically, same thing. We held very much in this range and then all of a sudden we got a massive drop. So not saying we're going to drop, but when we consolidate and move sideways like this, we're building up to another move. So we're either going to drop or we're going to get a big push to the upside, right? And we wait for that. Right now, I'm just watching and I am waiting to see what is that drop and that move going to be. Will we go down? Will we go up? But this sideways consolidation will lead us into a much bigger move. Looking at the weekly, you can see it here as well. We just have not been able to get direction. We've just been moving in this sideways space for a really long time. We need a breakout to get a nice big move for SPX, but for right now, we're just building it, right? So looking at the daily we get down to a little bit more of what it looks like for tomorrow specifically. Yes, we did break this trend line. I left it there because we reversed and we got right back above there real fast. So inside this same range, this is the first breakout that I'm going to be looking for. If we can clear that 68.35, I'm going to be watching this low next. Can we clear that 6777? If we do, this is going to be a nice setup for more downside, but initially the breakout I'm watching is the 69.30 or 68.35. That's 100 points, you guys. So even if we stay inside, we can still get some movement. But this squeeze is definitely getting tighter. So I'm going to be watching a few areas. These are the areas I'm going to be watching to see where we're headed next. If you look left with where we're at right now, this is a lot of chop to get through. So whether or not we can get through that into next week, into Monday specifically, we'll see if we end up pushing back and heading back down, or can we get through this chop? Could just be choppy if we stay in this range.